everybody, big warm welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing good today. No cute little intro on my vlog this morning, just straight into it with my lovely pale sleep deprived looking face. Goopy, there is His Majesty having some snacks this morning after the school run. This box has become part of the furniture, to be honest with you. We've had it like over a week now, as you can see, and he loves it so much. He plays in it all the time. I'm dreading when it breaks because it's going to break any second now. But yeah, as I said, we've just got in from the school run. What is the time? It is 20 to 10. We took a bit longer after school because I had a couple of errands to run. I had an alert thing come up on the car to say that there was all of the tyres needed air, and it made me a bit nervous. I didn't want to risk anything because obviously the roads are treacherous at the moment. I'll get to that in a minute. This weather is just crazy. So first thing I wanted to do was to go and get that sorted. So I drove into, I don't know how to put air into tyres. Like, I'm a typical, stereotypical woman in that sense. I don't know how to do anything car related. So I just drove into a local garage that does tyres, and I just drove in there and said, look, I've got an alert on my car to say that my tyres need air and I don't know how to do it. And they were very, very lovely and did it all free of charge. So thank you for that, guys. Then we popped to Asda because I needed a few bits. Thank you for that, Koopy. Lovely noises. I got some stuff that I'm gonna try out with Cooper for lunch because he's not eating well at the moment. He has got a cold and he is off his food. So I'm gonna try and tempt him with something different today, but I'll get to that later. So really the agenda of today, what am I doing? What? Clap, clap, clap. Good boy, darling. Look at that handsome face. He's gone to look behind. The fact that he has got a cold mixed with the fact that it is hideous outside makes me think that we should just stay in today. I really don't want him getting more of a cold. This weather though, let me show you. Let me come in here and show you. If you've watched my videos, you'll know that we have an amazing view here, like field after field after field. Oh, excuse that, we need to get a skip. Let's cover that up. As you can see, we cannot see anything. The fog is awful and it's so icy, so icy. I think it was -4 this morning when I took Leo to school. So yeah, all the more reason to just stay at home in the warm, try and get him to eat something, make sure he has a good sleep. And I'm gonna do some like house admin stuff today. I'll do a bit of cleaning, a bit of tidying. As you can see, he's a little bit not quite himself. And watch Ra the Noisy Lion, apparently. First thing I want to do actually, while he's stropping over there, because I've put on the wrong cartoon or something, is tidy up the breakfast situation, the boys' breakfast. Can you see what I mean about how he's not eating? Here's Cooper's toast. Yeah, not eating at the moment, bless him, because of his nose. Leo's breakfast, I'm just gonna have a little tidy up. I've also got some fresh flowers today from Asda to replace these sorry looking things. So I'm gonna sort out this.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring the sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer, but when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just like lemonade. We both know it's bittersweet. This sorrowness will bite your tongue. No one is forever young. No. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. I know the sun is getting warmer, but when we soar away among the clouds.
I have stopped cleaning for now. I've tidied up the dining table and I've wiped down the kitchen and the hob. And I've stopped for now because I wanted to come sit with Coopy for a bit, because he came up to me and grabbed me and he's not quite himself today. So I thought I'd put on his favourite film, which is Monster House, because why wouldn't that be a 20-month-old's favourite film? And we were having a cuddle, but actually he's just lying on his own, look. Doesn't want a cuddle, doesn't really know what he wants, to be honest. Come here, darling. So I'm just gonna sit with him, play with him and cuddle him for a bit. And then when he's settled later on, I will get on with some housework. Right, Coopy is now happily playing with his figures and his castle. So I'm going to try and do something else quickly. I want to give the extractor van a good clean today. When I was cooking last night, I went to turn it on and noticed that we have got a build up here. Can you see that? Of grime, which happens really easily and really quickly on these things. So I want to clean all of that, and I'm going to remove those and clean those as well. That is the job that I want to get done this morning. But this guy, yeah, I don't know. It will depend. How quickly it gets done will depend on, yeah, on this guy. Obviously he comes first, so we'll just see how we get on. So I'm making me and Coopy some eggs and soldiers for lunch. I'm going to try and get him to eat something because he's just been living on bananas since he's had a cold, to be honest. So egg and soldiers. And do you know what? I've seen on a reel somewhere where someone made a hard-boiled egg in the air fryer. And I know it's a bit lazy because you only need boiled water, but I'm gonna give it a go. So I'm gonna put the eggs in the air fryer for 10 minutes because I like them hard boiled. And apparently it works. Let's see. Oh, that needs a clean. Excuse me, maybe that's the next thing that I will attempt to do today if Cooper lets me. There you go. Eggs are in the air fryer. 2 for me, 1 for Coopy. And I'm gonna put it on for 10 minutes. Okay. Well, that was an absolute mission. Not so much because of the air fryer. Yeah, they are done in 10 minutes. But oh my god, any hacks on how to peel a hard-boiled egg, come at me because I think I need medical assistance after peeling those. Ouch. But anyway, there's Coopy's. He's got an egg all cut up and his soldiers, and I've got a couple of eggs on my toast as well. I have got him some grapes and a yogurt, but I'm not going to show him that till after, because if I show him that first, obviously he won't eat any of this. So I'll give him this first and see how we get on. That's going to be fun to clear up as well.
It was years ago, but how can I forget?
Okay, he has just gone down for his nap. It is 1:45 and I've just put him to bed. But yeah, don't be fooled by that cute little clip of us having lunch together. He had 1 toast soldier. I don't think he had any egg. I think he tried some, spat it out. And then he had all his yogurt and all the grapes. So I would not call that a successful lunch at all. I mean, for a toddler who is full of cold and miserable, it's not bad. It's better than 0. But yeah, every day is different, isn't it? And when they're poorly, when my kids are poorly anyway, they never want to eat anything properly. But I have tidied all the lunch mess away. So that's something. I'm now going to tidy up this situation while he's sleeping. And random, but I'm gonna just pop into the spare room quickly, which is next to his bedroom. But if I do it now, it shouldn't be a problem because it's a bit of a mess in there and the bed needs to be made, and it annoys me every time I walk past. I think Leo and his friends were like jumping on the bed or something because it's a mess in there. So I'm gonna go tidy up the spare room. I never show you the guest room ever because it's just not very nice. Very basic. I mean, it just does the job, but it's not a nice room.
We were 16 up all night. Love and heartbreak was our life. We got drunk and smoked your dad's cigarettes. Dreamt of a life in a big town. Skyscrapers and neon lights. Ooh, I still think of you.
Got a few bits and bobs done this morning. So for a morning stuck in the house with a under the weather toddler, not too bad, and hopefully he'll sleep now for a couple of hours. I don't pick up Leo until an hour later today because he has an after school club, a little art club, so that frees us up a little bit. If he wants to have a longer sleep, that's fine. I've brought my diary and my laptop and stuff into the living room, comfy living room as Leo calls it. And I'm going to do some planning and stuff while Cooper's asleep. I'm going to plan out all of February's videos. It will still be a vlog every Wednesday like this, and Motivation Mondays obviously, and then Fridays as well. Keep in mind, if it's school holiday, which it will be for 1 week in February, February half term, but I can't remember when. I don't vlog, so there'd be no video on the Wednesday if the kids are off, because I don't vlog when Leo is home from school. So I'm gonna end the vlog there because, yeah, watching me write in my diary and tap on my computer isn't very exciting. And then by the time he wakes up, it'll be time to go get Big Bro. But guys, thank you so much for watching my vlog today. A little bit of a clean with me, you know, housework, mum life vlog, I suppose. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.